The Wastecorp Dry Prime. Pumps designed, built, and tested to handle your toughest dewatering application. Wastecorp pumps are built at their state-of-the-art ISO 9001 certified manufacturing facility by a skilled and dedicated team of technicians, welders, and support staff. Offered in 4 through 12-inch flange connections, Wastecorp Dry Primes can produce flows in excess of 10,000 gallons per minute and achieve discharge heads of 300 psi. The robust pump casings are available in ductile iron, CD4, and 316 stainless, which allow for a wide range of dewatering fluids and chemical transfer from a pH of 1 to 14. Wastecorp's advanced trailer systems have been fully engineered with large onboard fuel tanks, heavy-duty torsion axle suspension, and LED lights meeting current DOT regulations. Using next-generation diesel engines, Wastecorp Dry Prime pumps now offer superior fuel efficiency and lower emissions for a more environmentally friendly operation. A progressive onboard touchscreen panel allows the operator to manually control dewatering operations on-site, or use Wastecorp's advanced remote wireless monitoring system to get the visibility and control of pump operations in real time while off-site. Additional accessories include Wastecorp's Husher system, an advanced sound attenuated enclosure offering lockable tamper-proof security and reduced decibel levels when dewatering in environmentally sensitive or residential areas. Remember, for your next dry prime pump, visit Wastecorp online or speak with one of our friendly and knowledgeable sales engineers. Wastecorp Pumps, uncompromised performance and reliability.